perfection. This thing here stopped perfectly upright. How can you beat that? Apparently there's either a flat spot on the bottom of that bearing or a dimple in the glass there. Here, I'll show you. And we'll spin it. You can see it spins pretty damn nice. So anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. It ain't perfect, but it's close. Closer than I am. Thanks for watching. Have it. It stopped again. I'm not sure what the hell is going on. So let's see here. I guess it won't focus that close. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong with that ball. Must be just perfect. Yeah, we'll try it again. Oops, let's get her going a little flatter. Well, that's gonna do what it's gonna do. Alright. Alright, here she goes. Getting ready. Getting ready. Getting close. Alright. There you have it. I think it's gonna make it. Yep, nope, yep, there it is. You saw it live. Perfection has been achieved at Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop.